Are you interested in learning about off-grid power? In this video, we will provide you with essential tips and tricks to help beginners get started with off-grid power. Whether you are preparing for a camping trip or looking for sustainable energy solutions, this video is perfect for you. Before diving into the tips and tricks, let's first understand what off-grid power means. Off-grid power refers to generating and using electricity independently, without relying on the traditional power grid. It can involve using renewable energy sources such as solar panels, wind turbines, or even generators. By understanding the basics of off-grid power, you will be better equipped to make informed decisions. One of the most important steps in getting started with off-grid power is choosing the right system for your needs. There are various options available, such as solar power systems, wind power systems, or a combination of both. Depending on your location, energy requirements, and budget, you'll need to evaluate which system suits you best. We will guide you through this process and help you make an informed decision. To determine the right off-grid power system for your needs, it's crucial to calculate your energy consumption. This involves assessing how much electricity you use on a daily or monthly basis. By understanding your energy consumption patterns, you can choose a system that can meet your requirements efficiently. We will show you a simple method to calculate your energy consumption and give you practical tips to reduce energy usage. Once you have chosen the right off-grid power system and calculated your energy consumption, it's time to plan and install your system. This step may involve selecting the appropriate equipment, designing the system layout, and securing any necessary permits. We will provide you with a step-by-step guide to help you through this process and ensure a successful installation. After your off-grid power system is up and running, it's important to know how to maintain and troubleshoot it. Regular maintenance is necessary to ensure the longevity and efficiency of your system. We will share valuable tips on maintaining your system, identifying and resolving common issues, and maximizing its performance. With proper care, your off-grid power system will continue to provide you with renewable energy for years to come. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of off-grid power and essential tips for beginners. With this knowledge, you can confidently embark on your off-grid power journey. Remember to research, plan, and seek professional guidance whenever needed. By harnessing renewable energy sources, you are not only reducing your reliance on the traditional power grid but also contributing to a greener and more sustainable future.